Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to generate buy one get one offer in the Wizio Bundle app. So to get started, open the app from your Shopify admin panel, and if you have not installed it yet, you can use the link given in the description to install the app. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify admin panel, then click here on quantity bundle. Navigate to create offer. From here, you need to select the BOGO high volume template. Select the target from here, then select the product. Add the bundle information. Choose the layout, and there are other customizations you can check. In discount batch, you can select the discount type like percentage and then add the discount. If you want to add a free gift, enable the option from here and then select a product. From here you can also customize the color theme, font style and size. You can check its preview in the right side and then click on save button from here. Your bundle is now live and ready to sell. Click on view icon from here to check the bundle. And here it's visible. Make sure it's visually appealing and easy for your customers to understand. That's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.